Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made this cute little shelf using all Dollar Tree items. This is a short but sweet little video, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe if y'all are new, and let's get into it. For this DIY, you're going to need this wood contact paper that is from Dollar Tree. I use this in a lot of my videos, and this is such an awesome find. I need to go look for some more. And then you're going to need 2 of these little plant hanger and just some poster board. And this poster board I had left over from another project, and it doesn't have to be a new piece. You just have to make it like whatever size you want your shelf to be. My shelf is 24 inches long by 6 inches wide. Next, you're going to need to measure out a little edge for the long part. So mine is going to need to be 24 inches long because you're going to make kind of like a little lip on the shelf. And I didn't make one on the side. I'm not really sure why I didn't, but I'm definitely going to go back and make one that's 6 inches long and put it on the side. I think it'll just make it look more complete. And then I'm just taking a mixture of my super glue and my hot glue, and I'm just going to glue that smaller piece to the side, and like I said, that's going to be like the little lip, and then we're going to go ahead and cover everything with the contact paper. Now you're just going to want to measure out enough of the contact paper. You want it to be maybe like an inch or so bigger than what the actual shelf is, just so you have some extra paper to wrap around, because you want all of the edges to be wrapped as well. And my paper got a little crumpled up. I'm not really sure how it got like that, but once I got it on there, I was able to smooth it out really nice, and you can't even tell that it was like that. And once I got it all smoothed out, I did go ahead and hot glue it in a few places just to make sure that the paper wasn't going to go anywhere, because it is sticky, but it's not the greatest stickiness. So I think if you put glue in a few spots just to hold it down, that'll keep it intact a little better. And now I'm going to measure out where I want to put the little brackets, the hangers, and I was putting them about 3 inches from the edge, and I just wanted to measure it 3 inches on each side so they were completely even. And again, I went in and took my super glue and the hot glue mixture to get it on there, because the hot glue makes it adhere right away. And I did end up buying some E6000, and I reinforced it with that too, because I wanted to make sure it wasn't going anywhere. And that is the final look for this one. I think it turned out so cute. I ended up getting some command strips from Walmart, and I stuck those on the back of the little black brackets, and that is how it's hanging. It holds, I want to say, 4 pounds. So I think this turned out so cute. Like I said, I'm going to put a little another extra piece of poster board on each side so that it makes it look more complete. But I think this turned out so cute. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.